In today's tutorial video, we will explore the process of rigging and animating in Blender. We will start by using Mixamo to rig the character's body and then transfer it into Blender to create a complete rig. Since Mixamo can't handle the character's face, we will turn to Blender built-in to Rigify to rig the facial features. We'll merge this rig into one and address common issues. Additionally, we'll dive into adding multiple Mixamo animations to the character while maintaining the ability to animate the face. So now, some of you might think that why I'm not using the Blender built-in Meta Rig to rig the body and the face together. And this is the reason. So if you check this character rig, we have two rigs. The one is face and we have the body rig. So you see the body rig is Mixamo and the face rig is Meta Rig. So we use the Blender built-in Meta Rig to rig the face only, and we use the Mixamo to also rig the body only. So we have two rigs that is control this character. So since this character have Mixamo as the body control, we can have multiple Mixamo animation to this character. You can download any animation from Mixamo and just copy and paste into this character. So you see I have this all animation here. I just select and copy the animation keyframe and paste it to this character body. So I have this run and I have this. So you just copy and paste it. So I have explained how you can do all this in this video already, so you will see it. And as you can see, we also have the facial control, so you can also animate the character face as well. So we'll have Mixamo animation for the body, and you can also manually do keyframe animation for the face, which will save a lot of time to do the animation. So, and for this tutorial, all the add-ons you are going to use is totally free. Only Mixamo to Blender rig add-on you are going to use, and I will leave link in description. You can go and download it for yourself. So I have my character here. For this character, you see I have the left eye, the right eye, the upper and the lower teeth. I have them all separate. So you have to make sure you do yours like that. You are going to send it to Mixamo and rig it. So I know most of you already know how you can send your character from Blender to Mixamo and rig it. So if you don't know, check this video description. There's a tutorial there. So this is the guy. So I'm going to simply add animation to it. So I'm going to add this. Now you see the character has been rigged perfectly in Mixamo. Now left with how we can export into Blender and then rig it. So just click on download and make sure with scan has been selected and click on download. So make sure with save as and go to your desktop or anywhere and create a new folder, and that folder is, you can name it maybe anime, and then we are going to save this animation inside of. So one thing you have to do is make sure you have this add-on, and you go to Google and you search for Mixamo rig in Blender add-on. The first link will appear. This is the Adobe Substance 3D adobe.com. You click this link, it will take you to here, and just click on get the add-on, and this add-on will download, and you go to Blender edit preference and go to install and locate to where you have the add-on and just click on install and then enable it. Then you will get this Mixamo control rig. Now it has finished downloading, so let's go to Blender and go to file, imports and SBS. Locate where you save your file. Here you save it in anime. Just click on it and then it will import into your Blender scene. Now you see the animation is playing here. So here we are going to zero out the rig. That means we are going to delete all the key or the animation from the character. So click on it and we see all the keyframe has been deleted, and click on create control rig, and let's leave the default settings and click on OK. Done. So now let's go to post mode, and we see we have our character is perfectly rigged with Mixamo. But Mixamo don't rig the face. You see, Mixamo can't rig the face. So we have to manually rig the face with the Meta Rig, which is the built-in Blender add-on. Now select this armature and let's name this as body rig. This is the body rig because it only have the control on the body without the face. So let's go to post mode, and I'm going to hide this body rig. Press shift plus E, and we are going to add armature. So make sure you have your and we have this add-on install. This is the Regify. It's a built-in Blender add-on. It's called Regify. Make sure it has been installed. So now shift plus A and add human meta rig. Perfect. So now what it has left it at, we have to align it to the character face. So I'm going to align the mouth part. Yes, and press num 7, part 7, and change Y and grab it on Y axis. So let's go to data and go to viewer port display and click on in front. This will make sure that you see everything. And let's go to edit mode. So here we are going to align the rig to the face. Well, so you see a count mirror here. Just click on this little S icon here, and then you see it's a mirror on this side. Now let's align the rig to the face. Make sure yours match mine. To make sure your rig match how I'm doing mine, so that you don't get any problem. To make sure that this bones is not disconnected, you have to leave it how it is. Just use B for box select and select all of them, and you can just grab it upwards. And for this, like this, you have to make sure you use B for box select and then grab it to anywhere you want. So G, grab, and let's go to 7 and grab it here. For this, use B for box, G, and let's grab it here. So let me select all of them with L. So we select press L, it will select all of them, and G, and let's grab it here. Now let's align it. So let's go here, and I'm going to hide this body rig. So select it and click, and let's hide it. Let's go to edit mode again, and numpad 7 for right view, and let's align this teeth to the top teeth, and this for the back teeth, and use L and select all the tongue. Let's grab it here. So now select the eye and go to edit mode. So you go to edge and I'm going to select this edge. So Alt plus click to select the middle edge and press Shift plus S and cursor to selected. Now after that, let's select the push the rake and go to edit mode and select the eye and Shift plus S and select it to cursor. Now let's change the pivot to individual and scale it up so to be. Now let's bring back our character and we have this. So now the face has been perfected rake. So here in edit mode, I just roughly align the rake to the body. It doesn't have to be perfect. So after you have done this, what you're going to do is just press Ctrl plus E and apply all the transformation. You have to make sure all the transformation has been applied. So if I'm new to this point, congratulations. Now let's move on. So on our rig data, go to Regify and just click on generate rig. Nice. So now I'm going to hide this and I'm going to call this rig as face rig. So I'm going to call it face rig meta. So this is face rig meta. This is the meta rig, but we are going to use it as face rig, and this is the Mixamo rig we are going to use as body rig. So let me hide the Mixamo and let's go to face using this. So now what has left is you are going to bind this rig to our character. So how we can do this is select the character body and shift select the meta rig with the face rig and Ctrl plus P and choose with automatical width. Now when you select the rig and you go to pose mode, you see the character is moving with our meta rig. So it's not perfect for the body, but for the face, because we are using it for the face is good now. But the eyes has not been joined to the rig and the teeth and the tongue, so we are going to fix them for now. So let's select this and I'm going to hide that one. Right now it will be inside the face rig, so I'm going to remove it from the face rig. So this what will happen when we enable the two rig and we select both the rig and go to pose mode. We can use this meta rig, which is the face, to control the body, and we can also still use the Mixamo to control the body. But it will seem like this one is trying to move the character here and this one is trying to move the character, so we'll get a distortion. So let me hide this one, the body rig, and let's face. So let me hide this. So we are going to join the eyes to the face rig. So select the face rig and go to data and go to this layer. Now we see we have this bones here. Select the left eye and shift select the bone and go to pose mode. Now with I.L selected, Ctrl plus P and choose bone. Now we are going to do the same for the left eye. So select the left eye and select the bone and it will Ctrl plus P and choose bone. So we have to make sure this one is on check. Now when we go to the pose mode, now we can rotate this and the eyes, see, the eyes will follow. Now let's go and do the teeth. So for the teeth, select the teeth and shift select the rig. Let's go to in front. This is the face rig. Go and select the TT. The TT is the upper teeth. So you select the upper teeth and select the TT, which is the rig, and Ctrl plus P and choose bone. Select the down teeth and select the teeth B and Ctrl plus P and choose bone. Now when we rotate this, we see it all rotate with the jaw. And let's go back to object mode and select the teeth and shift select the rig and Ctrl plus P. And for the tank, we are going to choose with automatical weight. Now let's bring our character back. So here, when you go to post mode, now you can rotate the eyes, you can rotate the jaw, you can open the mouth, and we can have the control for the tank. That is nice, but we're still having control with the body. And now we are going to remove the body control. So let's Alt plus G, Alt plus R to reset the controls and press new part 1, and we are going to reset all the transformation. So press B and select from the neck to the toe. So we select all the bones. So let me go and enable all the layers before. So you don't have this. So when you go to items and we enable all of these guys here, we enable all of these guys here. So make sure you have this, all of these layers has been enabled first, and then go to press part 1 and go to the side view, the right view, and press B for box select and select width from the neck all to here. So you select the body and press M and then move to this layer. You see, now it's all left with the jaw and the head. So right now we can have the metal the Mixamo rig, which is the body, and we can have the face, the metal rig, which is the face. We can go to post mode at the same time, but when you try to rotate this guy, the you will see that the head has been rotated, but when you try to uh, rotate the eyes, you see we get this very distortion and you get this. So select the face rig head and shift select the Mixamo rig head and press Ctrl plus P and choose bone. See, now when you rotate this, you see it will rotate along. One way we can fix this by clearing the parent from the body. So this is how we can fix it. Let's hide the, make sure you hide the Mixamo rig. Press A to select everything. Select everything with A and press Alt plus P and click and keep transformation. Now, when you move your Mixamo rig, in object mode, now you see it will not move with this body again. Okay, now let's bring this back again and see. So right now, since we unparent this to the, we unparent everything, this one is not moving along with this guy again. So let's go to post mode and rotate this. It is now moving with the face rig. So let's select the face rig plus the select the face and go to post mode. So both the body and the face rig is in post mode. So select the head, which is the face rig head, and shift select the body, which is the Mixamo head, and press Ctrl plus P and choose bone. We have doing it here. We already done it, but we are doing it again. So now when we rotate the head, you see right now it's not moving the body again. You see, so Alt plus R. So one thing I do, don't use this one to rotate and later come back and use this one to rotate. It's all very bad. After this, press M, select the head and press M and move to this layer. So this is what we have. Now we have the face and we have the body as one rig. Now we can rotate this, but when you rotate the eyes, you see the eyes is not follow along again because of we unparent everything. So this is what we're going to do. So Alt plus R, Alt plus G, and reset everything again, and we're going to do it again. Select the body and let's hide it. And let's hide the body rig also. Now select the face rig and let's go to here. Now go to this layer again and select the eyeball. We have done it, but we are doing it again. Select the eyeball, shift select this, the left eye. We are doing the same thing. We have already done it, but we are going to do it again, and shift select this and Control P and choose bone. Select the upper teeth. So for this, let's go to select this and let's go to the face rig again. Now if you rotate this, you see our eyes is rotating, but the mouth is not, but the teeth is not follow. So select the down teeth and select teeth and select the this is the teeth B. Control plus P and choose bone. Select the top teeth and select teeth T and Control plus P and choose bone. Now let's bring the character back. Now we can rotate the eyes. We can open the mouth. And we can also do the tongue. So this is nice. Now let's bring back the body rig and select the body rig and go to post mode. Now we can rotate the head, but we see when we do rotate the head, the eyes is popping back, it's coming back from the head. So here it is how we can fix it. So Alt plus G, Alt plus R and reset everything. Okay, let me do it. So let's say it has popping like this. So select the eyeball and go to this modify. Go to the modifiers. So on the modifier, you see this is the armature. This armature is the body rig. So just click this, delete those armature, and then you see it will snap to here. Now let's Alt plus R, Alt plus G and reset everything. Now we have free wheel. We can rotate the head and open the mouth. So let's change one to look up and we can open the mouth and also having control over the tongue without any distortion from the face. You see, nice. So let's reset everything. So if you have made to this point, congratulations again. So the difficult part we have passed. So now let's come here. Now when we move our character in object mode, we see we move the body rig in object. We see we have this. The guy is seen like dancing and is not moving with this body armature. So this is what you are going to do. select uh select the body, all of them, and press Alt plus Alt click and select the body rig and press Ctrl plus P and just choose object and keep transformation. Now you see it is moving along it. Select the all of the other guys and select it, Ctrl plus P and keep transformation. Select the teeth, keep transformation. Now the tank. Let me hide this and do the tank. So why the tank is not following, so select this, Ctrl plus P and keep transformation. And now let's unhide everything. So now we can move this guy to anywhere you want. Can move it anywhere in object mode, and we can also go to pose mode, and we can, so in pose mode, make sure you select both the rig and go to pose mode. Now you can have control all over anywhere, so you can rotate, can open the mouth, rotate the neck, and do anything. You can do any pose you want here. So we are done. This is complete character rigging. You see this line, if you don't want this, that, then just go to here and make sure outline is check. Now congratulations, and we have made to this point. So yeah, this is the Mixamo. So this is the, and now let's move to the important part. So this is the main reason why we did this. So let's name this one Julie. Now we have the body rig and we have the face rig. So we can go to Mixamo and download any animation, multiple animation, and we can copy the key and paste it to our rig. So let's see how we can do that. So let's do that. So let's go to Mixamo, and Mixamo here we can go and have maybe walk. So this is the working, and just click on download, and here we are going to choose without the skin because we don't need the skin again, and click on download. Now this one you're going to save it here, same folder, go to Blender again, and here let's create new file collection. Now let's go to file, import, and FBS, and import the working. So we have this working. So how can we combine this? How can we transfer this animation data to this guy? It's very simple. Since we already have the Mixamo rig here, the Mixamo add-on, so we are going to create rig. So just click on create control, and here we have to make sure that I'm going to uncheck the arm IK. I want the arm to be in FK. So if you uncheck this, that means the arm is going to be in FK. So click on OK. Now when you go to post move with this, we see we have this arm. The arm is in IK, and the foot also in FK because we live in FK. Now let's go to our main rig character and go to post mode. We see we have the hands in IK, and we have the foot also in IK, but this one the hands in FK. So select the hands and go to Mixamo and make sure we snap or we change the IK to FK, and select this and change to FK. So we have this in FK, and we have this in FK. That's cool. So we are going to copy this animation. So select this and select the character with the select this rate with the animation and go to post mode. Press A to select everything and go to the timeline and press Ctrl plus C and copy it. Or you can go to dope sheet, and dope sheet here you can go to key. Make sure all the keys have been selected and all your rig has also been selected, and go to keys and click on copy keyframes. Now go to object mode and select your character rig and go to post mode and press A to select everything and press I to insert key. So here you see that I didn't go to post mode with the face rig, only the body rig. Ready the Mixamo and go to key and click on paste keyframes. So let me hide this. Now we see we have this working animation. You see, but we have something bad here. I don't know why this happened to me, but maybe for your character this won't happen. So we have this Mixamo character working. I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem. So here's how we can fix it. So select your character and let's go to graph editor. So you see this is the arm, and let's go. This arm is in rotation mode. So we are going to hide the location, X location, Y and Z, and left with the this. So press A to select all the graph and G, and let's bring it on. So G and press Y and let's grab it on Y axis. Select this one to the shoulder, and this one also let's hide the location and left with the rotation, engine Y, and let's bring it to Y axis downwards like this. Let's do the same for this. So yes, now this we can combine multiple Mixamo animation to this. So for instance, I have this working animation. You can press E to select all of them and Shift D to duplicate, and then grab it here and to this last part. Now the character will work. So if you want to add another animation, just go to Mixamo again, and let's see like this. You want to combine this working. You have to just click on download without the skin and download it. So working, they the same working. So let me add one. So just go to here and import FBS and this working. So just go to your Mixamo and then click on create rig and make sure okay this one is on check and click on OK. Select that, go to post mode and Ctrl plus C to copy all the rig all the keys. Let's hide that one and select your rig and go to post mode. So yeah, I'm going to delete all this and Ctrl plus V. So you see, so I'm going to bring it here. Now I'm going to select this guy and see where it starts snapping back. So now it will be like this. So you can have multiple Mixamo animation to your character. So after all this, you still have control to do the face. Let's hide the body and let's go to the face. So here the character is working, but you can still have control to maybe insert key and go to maybe for frame, or you can open the mouth and then insert key again and go option ultrasound, and then insert key. So you'll get cool. Guys, this is the end of this tutorial and thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer you. So if you want to learn more about how you can combine multiple Mixamo animation to create story and also have to control the face, please comment and I'll go to that part only because this part I was focusing on the rigging part. So if you like how you can combine a Mixamo animation and then with face, let me know in the description. And my next video I'll do my best to go to that part and we'll do multiple Mixamo animation and then we will later have animation for the face. Bye bye, thank you.